is my new project. 1974 Volvo 164E TE model, so limited edition. The body's a bit rough, but that's something I'm going to do with you guys. It's a fuel injected 3-litre straight 6. Still running, still registered. Factory aircon. Up until buying this one, I actually never heard of this model. Never had an old Volvo. So, definitely going to be an interesting build. The interior is a bit rough. The whole car's a bit rough. So today I was just showing you the car. Might do some little things like just take the seat covers off and just check the condition. Go from there. So what I'm going to do now is cut off these seat covers, and then we're going to check out the condition of the seats and see whether I need to get them reupholstered or yeah, I don't know. Like I bought the car off the original owner, lovely 79-year-old lady, full service history, but stuff like this I haven't checked under it properly because I just wanted to get it home, and then I was going to suss out the condition. So let's cut these seat covers off and see where we're at. So this is one off. This seat's really rough, so I'll move the camera and then we'll have a look at the other seat. Pull this one off and see what condition this one is in. Okay, you know what? Not too bad. I can live with that. Could probably sew that back up. So I reckon I can work with this. Okay, so this side's not too bad. The driver's side is good. As you can see, the driver's side seat is pretty damaged. Passenger is actually in really good condition for its age. Keep in mind this is a 74 car, so now we've done the front seats. I'm just going to pull the covers off these rear seats. Hopefully they're better than the front seats, because usually in a car of this age the front seats get used more than the rear seats. This car was, the lady I purchased it off, bought it brand new in 74, and it was used for a business, so I'm hoping that there wasn't too much activity in the back seat. But yeah, let's pull these covers off and see if the seat's usable. If it is, that would be great. So let's just pull this remainder off. Unfortunately, I think this car has sat in the direct sunlight a lot, which is obviously dried up a lot of the original leather, stuff like that, but we might be able to sort of save some of it. These seat covers have been on forever. So the verdict is these seats are in absolute terrible condition. They're a cool style seat, but yeah, these ones are, I think, had their use by. So I'm going to have to talk to a couple of people within the Volvo community and see if I can chase these blue seats. I've got a couple of options. I can either chase these blue seats or paint up some better condition ones to sort of try and match this blue. I'll have to talk because my early conversations with people in the know-how with these cars is this blue interior is quite a rare interior, not the most common in these models, so therefore it may be almost impossible to find some seats. So suss out what I could do with these seats and then we'll go from there. Alright, let's give it a start up. I'll show you how easy it starts. Turn the key. This car has a knack for starting. So what you have to do is you have to put it in neutral, turn the key, let it warm up a bit. What you hear in there is the mighty roar of the 3 litre straight 6 cylinder, all the way from 74, factory fuel injected. In my opinion, I look like a small V8, I look like a 253 Holding or something. It's actually, I don't know if it's actually meant to be smoother or if it's meant to sound like this, but it has actually, in my opinion, a really great note. So I'm going to wrap things up here. As you can see, it needs a bit of work, but I'm excited to show you the new project we're taking on. Again, like I bought it off the original owner, she bought it off the showroom floor. So I made a promise to her that I'll fix it up, clean it up, and take it back around there, and she can take it for a drive or back to factory spec. So that should be a pretty cool sort of adventure. So I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you look forward to the series, because we're going to get real deep doing body work, interior work, engine tuning work. We'll do the process of getting it on club registration. It's currently registered, but obviously we're going to have to get it out of her name, and then we'll film the process of showing the original owner the car all done. Not the prettiest car, I've never had a Volvo before, but I'm excited, look forward to it. So if you enjoy, please subscribe, please show some support, I'd appreciate it, and we'll get some work happening. Cheers.